Good day once again. This is the Watcher here to give us updates on the trade ideas for this week. Here on the Euro USD, we shall look into trend continuation. As we can see, since we got to this major support here, it has been forming an choppy upward trend positions. Like we have the higher highs and lower lows, and now after that we broke out of this channel, retraced and continued also upside. So we expect the same thing to continue to happen till we got to where we shall see major resistance. So, but at the moment, you can see we have a kind of fair value gap, as some people describe it. So there's a chance it may retrace a little bit lower, coming closer to this trend line before we can get a substantial move upside. However, it will be clearer on the 4 hour. So we shall monitor it with this trend line, just like we did here. A break, a retest of it, or possibly continuation from here would be nice, but preferably I would like to see it come down to this level here, to these lows here, before we move up. It's safer there than to just trade it and then it drops. So I wouldn't recommend to place a buy here now, even though we expect upward side continuation, but it's so risky. The risk is quite much. You can see the gap here. It's too much. So wait till we find a clear position to trade from. So that is it. And then we also have Euro USD. It's almost the same thing, both on the daily and the 4 hours. So for this one, I will wait. Possibly, I will watch this trend line to hold, and then from there we long it up. And on the 4 hours, it's quite almost the same. So I'm watching it closely and waiting for time to take a long here. That's my preferred trade idea. So if it can drop towards this level, that's okay. But it's too risky to buy a position from here because anything can push the market down, possibly with a week like we saw here. And then you get a stop loss, and then the market will continue in your upward direction. So I will not take that risk. But generally, the market is expected to continue up a little bit this week, based on the pattern we have seen, major breaking up higher highs and lower higher highs as we continue. I think from last year around October, so it has been going up. So that is the trend. So we shall expect a continuation of this trend this week. Thank you and remain blessed.